The replicate command in Onshape assemblies is an efficient way to create and mate repeated parts or subassemblies based on matching geometry. New with this update, you will now see the replicate feature appear in the instance list. Within the dropdown, you can clearly see all geometry as well as mate features created by this replicate command. This means that replicate will now behave parametrically and update based on changes to the geometry. You can also access the feature dialog and review the input parameters. These parameters can be updated at any time with the assembly updating accordingly. This can be particularly useful when working with configured assemblies to help build robust designs. We are excited to introduce a highly requested feature, rotational limits for ball mates. With this update, you will now see a limits field within any ball mate feature. Previously, there was no way to prevent a ball mate from rotating a full 360 degrees. This meant components could flip to the wrong side and lead to unstable assemblies. With this latest release, you can now define a cone of rotation through which your components can move. This allows you to properly constrain the ball joint relationship to prevent interferences and increase assembly stability.
The Sheetmetal model feature now has a highly requested option to flip the orientation of the flat pattern. It toggles the flat pattern to display either the top or bottom view. This is especially useful in drawings as it reverses what is considered an up or down bend. This helps align drawings with machine input requirements or company standards.
With this update of Onshape, you can now export to the PVZ format. This format is an extremely lightweight and IP-protected format that allows you to easily exchange data between other common PTC applications, like Windchill, Creo View, and more recently, Vuforia. Let's take a quick look at how you could create a simple AR experience using the PVZ format. There are 4 simple steps to creating an AR experience. First, export the PVZ from Onshape. Then, import the PVZ into Vuforia where you can create the AR experience. When you are finished, publish the AR experience to the experience server. Finally, scan the generated QR code with the Vuforia View app. You can then drop the AR model within your environment, spin it around, and share it for a design review with your colleagues.
iOS devices are a convenient way to review and edit Onshape data, especially while on the go. Here, we've been shared into a document with only view and copy permissions. We've previously had the ability to show dimensions to understand underlying sketch geometry. New with this update, you can also show featured dialogues as well. This will allow you to interrogate further model details such as what sketch contours have been selected for use, as well as see all end condition details and the dimensions applied to them. Drag the feature dialog down to quickly collapse it, or back up to restore it. Finally, tap the X when you're ready to close it. Remember, you must give both view and copy permission for a user to be able to see full feature details as shown here.
Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe or see some of our other videos linked here.